I started playing basketball when I was about 5 years old, and in high school, worked my way up, became the all-time leading scorer, and from there I was recruited to go to Brown University, and I played all 4 years there. That set a path for me. After I graduated from law school, I went directly into the Spokane County Prosecutor's Office, and at 35 years old, I was elected Spokane County Prosecuting Attorney. I had the opportunity to coach my sons. Marcus was 6 years old when I started coaching him in basketball.
I can remember being in the huddle with the other kids, breaking basketball down into its component parts. My father coaching me carried forward to other parts of my life, from learning hard work, dedication, teamwork in basketball, to the ethics and morals of some of the difficult questions that we address in law. My father and I established a scholarship at Gonzaga Law School called the Sweetser Closing Argument Competition. The scholarship is like planting a seed in the mind of students that they can stand up, speak the truth, and protect individual rights and ensure that they're protected, ensure that the people of this community are protected. We provide individuals with an opportunity for their story to be heard, and we level the playing field.
I had been injured because of somebody else's negligence, and I felt that it was really important that it didn't happen to somebody else. My experiences with the whole Sweetser Law Office were nothing but stellar. I never had to wait for an answer. Somebody was always there. Everybody worked extremely well together. If I had a question, they always had an answer for me, and if they didn't have an answer, they'd get it. I know that Jim is going to give 110%. He digs and digs to get what he needs to make you whole again.
My son and I were involved in a violent collision. The other party refused to take responsibility. I wanted somebody with integrity, somebody who would take an interest in my case. I came to Sweetser Law Office to get my story out. I wanted to be heard. When we were in trial, we would hear something that was a blatant falsehood, and I'm looking to Marcus to correct it. He'd let them finish, then he got up and he just annihilated them. He'd point by point take them apart. When the jury came in, they were all smiling. You just knew they had good news. I just nudged them, I said, "You did it. We won this thing hands down." It's not always easy, but you have to fight for the justice that you deserve.
Every case is different. Every story of a client is different. You need to understand how it's impacted their lives. If the client feels that they've been heard and they can move forward and get closure, then we feel we've done our job.
If we don't recognize the human losses, the suffering, the burdens that are now in your life forever, justice will have been incomplete, and half justice is injustice.